Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use image slider shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of image slider shortcode. Image slider is beautiful and attractive way to let your visitors to know about your business in few sentences and nice looking images, animation and call to action button. Your hero section should impress visitors and attract them further about your services, work etc. and for this image slider is best to use. So first of all log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on the image slider element. You can see image slider settings and pop up here. POFO provide 8 different image slider styles. Let me go with image slider style 1. This is how it looks. Pagination option. This is pagination area and you can switch on off pagination. Pagination style. There are 2 styles, dot style and line style. Pagination color style. There are 2 styles, dark style and light style. You can switch on off navigation area means navigation with next previous options. Let me switch on navigation. Navigation style, let me select next previous wide arrow. Cursor color style, let me select default cursor. Go to slides tab, this is the area where you can add your image slides. You can upload slide image here. Let me upload image. If you have uploaded bigger image then you can use any thumbnail image version to optimize page speed using this option. Enter title and content. So as per style selected, you will have 2 buttons. You can select button option here, let me select 2 buttons here and configure both buttons. You can enter button link URL here, let me add hash for example. Enter button title text. You can check this option to open link in new tab. Add no flow option to link for SEO purpose. You can select your desired existing page from this list for the button link. Click on set link button. You can add new slide using plus button or you can clone this row using this clone row option. Let me clone it. You can change image and content as per your need. Let me clone again and change third slide data. Go to slider configuration tab, you can select transition style using this option. Let me select slide style as transition style. Transition speed, you can set slide speed time like 1000 means 1 second. You can switch one autoplay if you want your slider to autoplay when page loaded. You can set delay time, let me add 3000 means 3 seconds. You can switch on loop. Let me switch on it. Overlay tab, in case if you want to add overlay then you can switch on this option. Let me select overlay color and set opacity. Style tab, using this you can manage different color options for both buttons. Typography tab, here you can manage typography of title and content. You can set font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc., italic font on off. Go to Extra tab, in case if you want to customize this shortcode deeply then you can insert unique element ID for image slider element, you can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Great. You can see the slide is visible here as per content added. Now suppose you want to make it full width then change row settings. Go to General tab, select stretch row and content with no padding option for row stretch. Save changes and let's check preview. It is full width now. And if you want to cover header area so to make your folder full screen, then first I need to disable this page title area and remove padding of row shortcode. Let me go to row settings and click on design options tab. Let me set 0 padding here. Save changes. Under POFO page settings, click on page title tab. Switch off title option using this option. Let me check preview now. Great, my image slider is covering whole screen now, but header background is white, so let me change header background color to transparent under POFO page settings. Go to header tab, select white color as background color and make it transparent using this option. My image slider images colors are black, so let me select menu color as white. Let's check preview. Great, so my image slider is looking nice and covering header properly. So this was slider style 1. Now let me go back to general tab again and select slider style 2. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see slider style 2 here. Now let me go back to general tab again and select slider style 3. This is style 3. Here title and subtitle colors are black, so let me change it. Go to typography option tab. Let me select white color for title and content. Save changes and let's check preview. Title and subtitle are visible with white color now. Now let me go back to general tab again and select slider style 4. This is style 4. Here you will have additional option to on-off navigation and set navigation background color and navigation arrow color. Let me change its color. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see slider is visible as per content and style selected. You can check more other slider styles with same type of settings. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.